Good morning, boys and girls. It's Monday, April 6th, and this week is just a 4-day week. Friday we have off because it's Good Friday and it was already planned. And then we're also off on Monday, April 13th for Easter break. So this week we have 4 days of work. And today we are going to do some nonfiction. Remember, nonfiction is true information that we're reading. So for reading, you're going to read a nonfiction book of your choice for 20 minutes or read nonfiction book from Epic. And in your reader's notebook, pick a text feature from your book and write something that you learned about your topic from it. Remember that a text feature could be a heading, it could be a picture, an illustration, a map. It could be bold words. It could be a diagram. All kinds of different text features that could help you when you're reading. Also this week, boys and girls, remind mom or dad or whoever is helping you with your learning to just sometime this week send me a picture of some of your work that you've been doing. They can email that to me or post it on our Facebook page any way that they want to. We're just kind of keeping track of student engagement going forward from today. So I'm going to kind of keep track that everyone's doing the best that they can at home with their work. Snap words. Practice and write your snap words for 5 minutes. And then there's how many in a minute game and Hollywood game rules. So both those games, how many in a minute and Hollywood. And you can click on the link to remind you how to play those. And then to go along with our nonfiction, in writing, you can choose to letter write poetry, description, or write nonfiction. And I know some of you, that was your very favorite thing to write about, so that would be awesome. Also, you can choose to work on your writing for 20 minutes, revising a piece that you already wrote last week. After you revise, if you have time, you can continue your writing. So pick a piece that you've been working on. Did you use strong descriptive words to help the reader picture your story in their head? And if you did, circle them. And if not, go back and find where you could add some. So you have a couple of choices for writing today. On math, on a sheet of paper, put today's date, April 6th. Solve the following word problem. There are 16 quarters in a jar. Russ takes 6 quarters. Then Dad adds more quarters to the jar. Now there are 18 quarters in the jar. How many does Dad put in? Remember to show your number model as well as the answer. Also, you can do reflex. And I've noticed that I think everybody, but there's 3 people that have not been able to get on reflex or haven't got on to reflex. So if you haven't got on at all since school's been out, this week would be a good time to get on there. We don't want you to slip behind in your fact strategy because remember, by the end of the year, we want you to be 100%. So make sure that you're keeping up on your fact fluency practice using reflex. 3 green lights a week, and you can do reflex anytime. It doesn't just have to be during the school day. It could be in the evening, it could be on the weekend, anytime that you have access to a device. Or you can play one of the following games using a standard deck of cards if you have some at home. And then for social studies, this is a Generation Genius video called Landform Maps. And you know how much we like Generation Genius. So click on that. You can watch the video today to learn about the different kinds of maps. And then Mrs. Burgos has some lessons here in the counseling corner. I hope everyone has a fantastic day. I know everyone is working and doing the very best that they can. And I miss everyone. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.